Menopause is a natural biological stage that marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. It is a significant transition that every woman will experience at some point in her life. It is officially diagnosed after 12 consecutive months without a menstrual period, and that signifying the end of monthly cycles. This transition typically occurs between the ages of 45 and 55, although it can happen earlier or later for some women. Each woman's experience with menopause is unique. Menopause is caused by a decline in the production of estrogen and progesterone, two essential hormones produced by the ovaries. These hormones play a very important role in regulating the menstrual cycle and overall reproductive health. As hormone levels fluctuate, women may experience a variety of symptoms which can range from mild to severe. Common symptoms include hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and sleep disturbances. These symptoms are a natural part of the menopausal transition and can vary greatly from one woman to another. Understanding the changes happening in your body can help empower you to manage this new phase of life. Educating yourself about menopause can make the transition smoother and less daunting. Remember, you are not alone, and there are many ways to find relief and support during this time. Connecting with others who are going through the same experience can provide comfort and valuable insights. One of the most well-known symptoms of menopause is the hot flash. Hot flashes are sudden feelings of intense heat in the upper body or all over. They can be accompanied by sweating, flushing, and a rapid heartbeat. Night sweats are hot flashes that occur during sleep, often disrupting a good night's rest. Mood swings are also common during menopause due to hormonal fluctuations affecting brain chemistry. These can manifest as irritability, anxiety, or feeling down. Additionally, many women experience difficulty sleeping, characterized by problems falling asleep, staying asleep, or both. Making simple lifestyle changes can significantly impact how you feel during menopause. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise is crucial. Focus on consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while limiting processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Regular physical activity such as brisk walking, swimming, or dancing can help alleviate hot flashes, improve sleep, and boost mood. Additionally, managing stress through techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can provide significant relief from menopausal symptoms. Medical options. Finding what works for you. For women experiencing severe menopausal symptoms, medical treatments are available. These treatments can provide significant relief and improve quality of life. Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, involves taking a combination of estrogen and progesterone or estrogen to supplement declining hormone levels. This therapy can be tailored to meet individual needs. HRT can effectively reduce hot flashes, night sweats, and vaginal dryness. Many women find significant relief from these common symptoms. However, HRT may not be suitable for all women and has potential risks and benefits to consider. It's important to discuss these with your healthcare provider. Other medications, such as antidepressants and anti-seizure drugs, have been found to help manage certain menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. These alternatives can be effective for those who cannot take HRT. Your doctor can recommend the best course of treatment based on your individual needs and medical history. Personalized care is essential for managing menopause effectively. Section 5. Embracing the next chapter. Menopause is a natural transition that marks a new phase in a woman's life. It is a significant milestone that brings about various physical, emotional, and psychological changes. It is a time of transformation, growth, and new beginnings. Embracing this period can lead to a deeper understanding of oneself and a renewed sense of purpose. By understanding the changes your body is undergoing and seeking support when needed, you can navigate this phase with greater confidence and well-being. Connecting with others who are experiencing similar changes can also provide comfort and valuable insights. Remember to listen to your body, prioritize self-care, and consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best approach for managing your individual menopausal journey. Self-care practices such as meditation, exercise, and proper nutrition can greatly enhance your quality of life during this time. With the right information and support, you can embrace this new chapter with vitality and grace. Celebrate this new phase with positivity and an open heart, knowing that it is a time for new opportunities and personal growth.